We are leaving very late today. It's what time? 11. It's 11. We came back to our hotel room yesterday pretty late at night. Slept late, we woke up late, we are leaving late. And today we are only visiting temples. So I've taken a shirt with me, so I'll just wear a shirt. And it's a long dress. Especially I had kept it for temple visits. So just we'll have to cover this part. Going by metro again. I used a credit card yesterday on metro. मुझे तो ऐसे magic जैसे लगा. By the way, मेरा चश्मा टूट गया. The screw only came off and one full dandi came off. It was my favorite chashma. I had also carried this extra chashma with me. And Saish is happy because he likes this chashma. I like the other one more. आज मेरा सब टूटने का ही दिन है. My chappal also broke now and that's the only chappal I've got. I mean I can still walk in it but पीछे का जो रहता है ना strap to hold your feet that broke. वो वाला वो टूट गया. पहले चश्मा टूटा अभी चप्पल टूट गई. We have come to this restaurant. What is the name of the restaurant? Restaurant ही लिखा था ऊपर. So here I have ordered my usual pasta without bacon. The gate naam. They have vegetarian options. You can come here if you're around. We just went to this grand palace and all. So it was like just walking distance from there. And we are fried in sun. It is so hot and humid. I've ordered cold coffee. This is crispy chicken patsa है ना? Babe उन्होंने mushrooms डाले. I forgot. Like I didn't realize they would put mushrooms. Of me. Hi. गई वो. What अरुण के पास आए थे from ferry. We didn't go inside because सुबह से we are just doing temples and we got very tired. Ticket भी था इसका. We didn't take that. We just saw it from outside and now again we are back to ferry. This kind of ferries ना remind me of that song. एक दिलरुबा है. Do you wanna recreate it? Happy kid. Happy? How's it?
Made of rice.
Rice.
Oh no, is it soy milk?
मैंने वो ऐसे ही देखा सोया मिल्क आइसक्रीम एंड वो चेंज हो गया सून टू जस्ट आइसक्रीम. सो आई डोंट नो दैट. get it done. I got this under half an hour. This was quicker. It was still a little expensive though. It was 500 baht with the color. We bargained a little, so we got it for 400. And the girl, she was really, really sweet. I'll put her shop details on my YouTube channel. What's your name? Nia. Yeah, thank you so much. And you? What is your shop name? I will promote on my YouTube channel. She was like smiling the whole time. I loved her. And this, I look like a different person, and I'm tanned also. Hi you guys! The next morning and it's like 11:50. We are leaving so late because last time we came back very late. We were partying. We were very sleepy in the morning. We went for breakfast. We came back. We slept again. Where are we going today, guys? Sir?
Malls.
Malls. Today is only malls day and tomorrow also just shopping. We are leaving day after tomorrow. We have 2 more days left and both are dedicated to shopping. बेब लेकिन हमने वो शॉपिंग का बैग ही नहीं लिया. बट तूने बोला ना मॉल में शॉपिंग नहीं करनी है. हाँ ओके नेवर माइंड. आई लाइक व्हेन दे गिव दोस बैग्स ऑफ ब्रांड्स. ब्रांडेड शॉपिंग है तो कल लेना पड़ेगा वो बैग. कल चाटू चाट मार्केट में जाना. एंड बाय द वे आई हैव गॉट सो टैन एंड लुक एट द ग्लो. आई एम लविंग माई स्किन राइट नाउ. फाउंडेशन ज़्यादा नहीं लगा. आई जस्ट पुट 1 dot because it wouldn't have matched me. By the way, let me know if you liked my hair. As a beach mein I feel like I look chapri. This red color I picked. We are in MBK Center now. सुबह वाला मॉल का नाम क्या था?
Central World.
Central World. Now we are in MBK Center and the street, Siam Street, right?
Siam Square, so is 6 right?
Okay, that street looked really, really good. I had put the clips, you can see, and I got very beautiful pictures on that street. It was really
Better at night actually.
no daytime में अच्छा दिखा. Like it's bright and photos अच्छे है. ये क्या है? Don Donkey. Don
Some kind of chain.
Some kind of chain for food.
Food. It was there in Singapore also.
एक दुकान का नाम था जाओ. जाओ लिखेंगे तो कोई आएगा ही नहीं ना. आओ चाहिए था नाम है. जाओ. द प्लेस वेयर वी हैड फूड इट वॉज इन सेंट्रल वर्ल्ड. उसमें उन्होंने लिखा था डोको खा. मीन्स ईट योर ब्रेन्स इन मराठी. डोको खा. Yeah, looks so pretty. Have so many things here in the mall. ऐसे एक फ्लोर तो मतलब पूरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक से था. You get ring light, tripod, watch, phone, मतलब सब कुछ था. इवन कपड़े. ये मेरे जैसा. ये किधर कितने का है? There was like an outlet sale also, and they had like Adidas, Nike, Crocs, all of these for really cheap. You can come here if you want to buy something. So many nail salons here. So many stores, bags. पूछो क्या इधर? By the way, मेरा दूसरा चप्पल भी broke. Yesterday one strap broke. Today another one broke. Let's drink something. We're so thirsty. We're not able to find water, so I think we have to buy juice. Just did self checkout in a supermarket also. We found water. तो वो machine थी उधर and we only had to scan the item. I've seen this in Uniqlo but not in a supermarket. People were coming with baskets and scanning one item. And we could pay by cash also. The machine accepts cash and gives us the change. This is test for DJI Mic 2. Hello. We are just testing the mic so far. कितना distance जाता है?
A lot. No, it's okay. Fine.
Cancellation भी है क्या इसमें? Guys, we're in an Indian restaurant because Saish was craving for Indian food. There's chicken and mutton khichdi here. Hi guys, today we are at Chatu Chak Weekend Market and it's there only on Saturday and Sunday. And today is Saturday, so we kept it for last. So many options here.
और बहुत नज़दीक.
said you're too far, so I was coming.
It was sarcastic.
Okay, so I'm having my coffee so that I get some energy. I'm too sleepy, Or it's like 12. We again left late today. And also, we are traveling by metro and SkyTrain almost every day. Just FYI. We just bought these.
Please make discount.
देख उधर भी है शर्ट.
Elephant वाले.
एलिफेंट ही है वो.
Make discount.
380.
350.
This one already discount. You can check my storage. 380.
Like 350.
380. This one.
सब मिलके 380 हुआ. और ओरिजिनल कितना था?
400.
हाँ?
400.
We have got this bag with us, so we don't have to take plastic. Hi guys, we just got back to our hotel room. थोड़ी सी shopping की है from Chatuchak market. I'll show everything I bought in a separate haul video. I'm tired as you can see from my face. We'll just rest for some time and then we'll again head out. Today is our last night. Saishakin wanted to go Khausan Road, so we'll go there probably. And we didn't have lunch also today. We were not hungry. We just had juices and coffee and things like that. I had coconut water and coconut water का ये भी था, coconut भी था, so I kind of got full with that. I didn't feel hungry. Guys, उधर देखो खून हुआ. Yesterday we saw Shet Wadhana, which means farm is not growing in Konkani. Hi guys, so we are at the airport leaving for India. We have a flight till Mumbai. Thai tea. It's like actual milk tea ka taste but cold. So our flight is slightly delayed. It was supposed to be at 4, now it's at 5 now.
6.
6 now. 6 ho gaya.
कब का हो?
Now it's at 6. Then we have a flight till Goa also from Mumbai. Hopefully that also gets delayed, otherwise we'll miss the flight. I think I'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. So please give this video a thumbs up if you did and please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. What is that?
Eventually.
They had closed the baggage, whatever. So they were not accepting our luggage anymore. The person who was doing the check-in, she called many people and somehow they did something, I don't know. The flight was connecting actually, so it was the same PNR. That's why I think they did something. I'm not sure. I think it was fully jugaad and I don't know if you're gonna get our bags today itself. But that happened. And then while doing the security check, the person was a character. It was straight from a movie scene. He was checking someone else's bag and we requested him to do ours on priority because we were getting late and he just gave us this look. Just ask me something, I'll become that police officer. Please, please, please.
Please go back. जरा करना flight miss हो गई.
This is how he looked at us. The other guy, he kept telling him to do theirs first and wait, but he just ignored all of us and he started asking too many questions to that guy. Open this, open that. There was no reason to open the bags. He just had some chashma and he kept asking too many questions. He was, I think he was having a bad day. Then he started checking our bag and we had some, what is that thing in box? Drone ka battery. He made us open that box, seal and everything and he was taking too much time and we were just laughing. We didn't know what to do. But finally we made it. We are sitting in the flight. We just hope we get our bags.